Here I have CAT S40, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume panel style on this device. So as you can see right now I have like the default volume panel, but you can actually change it by downloading this app Volume Styles from the Play Store. So then you just have to open this app, tap Start, then enable accessibility services, and now you can pick different volume panel style. Like as you can see, you have like Android 1, Android 12, like iOS volume style. Wow, unbelievable. Now I have my volume panel like on the iPhone. But my personal favorite one is the emoji. So stylish. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.